The St. Andrews South Police are keeping a close watch on sections of Maxfield Avenue, which has seen a flare-up of deadly gang violence over the past month. Several persons have been killed in the violence. There was heavy gunfire in the area early this morning as warring factions traded bullets. Residents of Alexander Road off Maxfield Avenue say they want peace. They're seeking the intervention of the police, their Member of Parliament and councillor to help stem the gun violence. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
Alexander Road off Maxfield Avenue in St. Andrew. Not quite a good Friday for the people living in the community. They say the constant shootings and killings have been driving fear into their lives and pushing them out of their homes. A resident told the TVJ News that over the past 4 weeks, gunshots have echoed in the community. She said this also happened last night.
Big gunshot, I have to end up on the floor with my children. Them big gunshot, you understand me? It's more than 50 gunshots firing last night. Every night it keep on happening. No peace. When it touches 7 o'clock in the night, 7 to 6 o'clock, you have to lockdown gone. You can't even get nothing to buy. The business people, them locking down them place also. You understand me? You can't even walk on the street. If you walk on the street, it's like you're scared of your own life.
She said the violence escalated since the death of 14-year-old Domain Hall and 44-year-old Richard Francis on March 3. She revealed that another resident was shot and killed on Monday. She's calling for urgent intervention.
We don't see nobody to talk to. We can explain and tell the police what's going on. There's no peace officer coming on, getting information what's really going on in the community. They can deal it and tell them what's really going on. We don't see nobody like that doing that. They come in and do that and get them information what is coming on. Bill a peace officer come here, Bill a even attend and find out what's going on. Make the police them can have a good case. We don't see them have that happening.
However, the police say they have been in the area but argued that residents have not been cooperating with the cops to identify the men involved in the violence. Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Andrew, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, urged the residents to tell the police what they know.
I've spoken to the police. I know that they have 24-hour patrol. They tell me persons are not satisfied because although the police is in the area, persons are so brazen that we still have the gunshots, we still have the firing, we still have the violence taking place with the police in the area. And so what we need is intelligence-driven policing, and we need cooperation from the citizens, from the residents for that. And I'm imploring all of them, if you know something, just call, pass the information on.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.